springs and hawthorn flowers aren't better to me than frozen winter. Far away love, far away love, far away love, far away love. I trust the Lord's fairness in having formed this faraway love. But for each consolation I achieve, I get two ills because I am so far away. Why didn't I go there as a pilgrim, so that my staff and hooded cloak would be beheld by her beautiful eyes? Far away love, far away love, far away love, far away love. It will certainly feel like joy when I ask her, for the love of God, to be hosted. And if she likes it, I shall lodge near her, although I come from far away. Conversation is so pleasant when the faraway lover is so close that he would long to be welcome. Sad and pain shall I depart if I don't see this faraway love. I don't know whenever I shall see her, so far away our countries are. So many are the crossings and the roads I can't tell, but be everything as she likes it. Far away love, I wish I were held in thrall for her sake. Far away love, far away love. God, who created all that comes and goes and shaped this far away love, give me strength, since I already have the intention, so that I see this love far away, so that rooms and gardens shall seem to me to be new palaces. He is true who calls me grasping and longing for a faraway love, since no other merriment pleases me as much as enjoying a faraway love. But that which I want is denied to me, since my Godfather made it so that I love and am not loved.